Greetings, greetings! Wow, December na and for sure nag-iisip na kayo ng mga pang-gift this Christmas. Kaya for this video, naisipan ko na gagawa tayo ng Christmas gift na sobrang dali at the same time ma-appreciate pa to ng mga loved ones nyo kasi homemade na, ubod pa ng sarap. Kaya get your cocos ready and let's start making chocolate truffles. Chocolate truffles are chocolate delight. They're technically a ball of chocolate ganache, that's why first, we have here 8 ounces of dark chocolate that has been finely chopped. If you want a sweeter truffle, you could also use milk chocolate. Next, we're going to heat some heavy cream until it simmers. You can do this on a microwave, but mine broke, so we are going to heat this over a stovetop. We are working with direct heat here, so we are not heating our cream over a double boiler. That's why I'm continuously stirring our cream to avoid scorching it. Once our cream's heated, we are then going to pour this over our chocolate and let it sit for at least 3 minutes. Now that the chocolate has melted, we are then going to whisk this together until combined. As you can see, our chocolate ganache is glossy. Now that's done, we are then going to chill this inside the refrigerator for at least an hour for our chocolate ganache to set. It has been an hour now and our chocolate ganache is set. We are then going to scoop a tablespoon of these and roll them into balls. So for this part, you can now do whatever design you prefer. For the classic chocolate truffle, we are going to roll this on cocoa powder. Next, we can also directly roll them on chocolate sprinkles like this one. We could also coat our chocolate truffles on melted chocolate for an added texture and coating. So again, you can design your truffles however you want. So the packaging depends on your preference. You can put them in a box or a tin can like this one. And that's it, an easy gift made with love and a lot of chocolate. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. Comment down below if sino yung special someone na bibigyan nyo ng chocolate truffles this Christmas. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Kita-kita naman po tayo next week for another Christmas video. Happy baking!